busy scrapping, getting all the metals, separating all the metals. Nice little find. Some railroad nails, I guess, and rotors. I know I had some on my vehicle for a while. Anyway, she's doing a pretty good job at keeping everything separated and organized. I told you we chose to scrap the TV, and so she's got all that laying out as well. And looks like she might even have enough for a load. Of course, that's up to her. I don't know what's a load and what's not a load. Anyway, wanted you guys just show you a little bit of that. I want to show you this real quick. You see, it's just all rusted out. Let me tell you what this is. This is from, we believe, from the campfire. We believe it was somebody's possessions that were burnt up in the fire, that I guess they took back to wherever they were living, and made the decision to throw these items out. Lori picked them up in a dumpster, and not sure what she's doing with them. Don't think there's much we can do with them. There's a few pieces that Lori did pick out that were worth restoration, but we haven't really moved forward with it yet, but they have been pulled out. These, I think, have been rusted because they've been sitting out here in the rain. Anyway, wanted to show you guys that as well. These poles right here go with also the racks. This is a metal shelf, if you can't tell what it is. Those are the poles for the metal shelf, and the metal, oh yeah, there it is, the metal shelving is right here. The only thing that was missing were the little plastic clips that hold that. Lori has them on order, so we're not scrapping that. We are going to use that. That was a good find. Good find for us anyway. And then later on, if it's something that we just don't need or want, we could always sell it. So we're all good. Alright, so dryer. It does not work. We just tested it. So looks new. God only knows what happened. So Lori's scrapping the wire.
Chief has to turn it down. Dutch Brothers.
Dutch Brothers. Lori found this little gem. We're going to use it for, it looks a little beat up right now. I mean, it was in a dumpster. But we're, it's on a stand. It's really nice. It's really gross right now, but we're going to get it cleaned up. Looks nice. And we're going to use it. We're going to keep this one. The innards of a CD player or DVD player?
I assume it's DVD.
Or DVD.
It was in pieces when I got it.
Yeah, it was in pieces. So Lori will scrap that out and make money off the parts or just the metal scrappings. Yep, here it goes. Crunch. you want to put it up against the wall of the house?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I was just thinking more of the wind. So you found the shelf
Yep.
in a dumpster and just had to invest the
Like $7 for it.
$7 for the plastic thing. So dumpster shelf, but that's not all
Those are
because
$39 ones.
these are.
Well, when we bought them 10
Oh,
years ago. They
yeah.
were $39.
And then these baskets came from the back of a restaurant. So we're being organized for
Right.
about $7-8.
We'll use the shelf later.
Yeah, the shelf can be used for so many different things, but right now we're using it for this, which is going to be really good. Get the patio a little bit more orderly fashion so we can see what we have. Oh, it's a shovel. Very rusty one. All right. Speakers and batteries and all kinds of stuff. Copper. Even a toaster. For sure is making a lot of noise.